Hey guys, Harbor Freight dropped a steamer a while back, so I thought I'd check it out. This is the Griots, no, wait, this is the Grants, because no one would ever confuse those two brands. Harbor Freight would never deliberately create a product line with a similar name to that of an existing, already established brand. Anyway, let's get this thing out of here. You get a whole bunch of accessories, a bunch of nozzle attachments. Here's our actual steamer. To use this thing, you gotta put 250 milliliters of water in it. I don't know what milliliters are. Sounds like some kind of metric thing. So I just put 8 and 7/16 ounces of water in it. We are using distilled water. I'm on well water here, and I don't want any minerals or whatever clogging this thing up. Then we can screw the cap down and put our nozzle on. The nozzles have a push and twist feature. You want to line up that single line on the nozzle with the double line on the tool. Push it on, and then twist until the double lines on the tool line up with the double lines on the nozzle. This thing powers up as soon as you plug it in. There's a red indicator light at the bottom showing that it's powered on. There's a green light above that one that will turn on once it's warmed up enough to use. So now we gotta wait. It takes about, I don't know, half a beer long for it to warm up. Now that that green light's on, we can try it out. You just pull down on the lever here, and it should start making steam. Oh yeah, it's steaming alright. Let's do the same test that every other channel has already done. We'll see if it can clean the dirt off of this rim. Yeah, see how that dirt just wipes off with the cloth? Because there's no way you could just wipe that dirt off with the damp cloth without using the steamer. Oh wait, you could. You could just wipe the dirt off without using the steamer. Let's try something more challenging. I found this car while I was mowing my lawn. It's been sitting here since 2004, and this stuff on the windows will not just wipe off with the cloth. It is baked on there. So I'm going to try out the squeegee attachment. Then this part just clips onto it. They say in the manual not to apply the steam directly to the windshield. You're supposed to start out like a foot away to warm the glass up slowly. Now we'll put the squeegee to it. Needs more steam. I'll go a little bit closer this time. It's taking off a little bit of the grime. Now I'll put the steam directly to the glass. Seems like it's removing a little bit of the buildup with each pass. It's not a miracle cleaner, but before you couldn't even see into the car. Let's hit it with the steam one more time. You know, it actually did better than I expected. It didn't remove all of the grime, but it actually did remove most of it. Now, let's go back to the ass blaster nozzle and see if we can't clean off that fungus growing around the door handle. It is loosening up the dirt. I wouldn't want to clean a whole car this way, but for spot cleaning, maybe. It also comes with this little scraper attachment. Maybe this will come in handy for removing those stupid safety warning stickers. If you just try and peel them off, they always come off in pieces. I'm also using the extension hose for this test. Obviously, you don't want to have the steam activated while your hand is right there. I'm just using the scraper feature while pulling on the label. Whoa, didn't expect that. It delaminated the label. The scraper doesn't really work too well as a scraper, but the steam is loosening up the label. Here's what I was saying about the label coming off in pieces. Let's try hitting it with some more steam. That did a little better. I think I can pull off the label now. I think the reason the scraper sucks is because it has a squared off edge. I suspect if you took some sandpaper to it and sharpened it, it would work better. I did try it out on some old floor mats, since that's one of the things these are advertised for. It didn't seem to do too much. I was hoping it would just lift the stains out, but it didn't. You might need to use this in conjunction with some soap. Now we'll go into the kitchen and see if this can clean off that baked-on crap on the stove top. This stuff will not come off just by wiping alone. It is baked on there. I'll use the scraper attachment again. Alright, now we're talking. This worked really well here. It loosened up all of that burnt-on food residue. I've never been able to get these stains off the floor in my laundry room. There used to be carpet here, and when I removed it, it left these spots of residue that are fused to the floor. I've tried all sorts of flooring cleaners and could never get that residue off. The steam cleaner is scrubbing it out right away. Alright, I'm starting to like this steam cleaning. What about garment steaming? That white cloth it comes with is a bonnet for the steamer head. They don't say anything about it in the manual. I figured that out from reading random steamer reviews on Amazon. You're not supposed to put the steamer head flush with the fabric. Just ride the top edge of it down. Seems to be working okay. Looks like it's removing a lot of the wrinkles. I bet this thing would work on waifu pillows too. When you're done using it, you can't just open up the cap. It's got some kind of safety feature where it won't open until the pressure has reduced. So we gotta wait again. Even after sitting for a whole beer, there's still some residual pressure inside there. That's another thing I noticed about this. You don't have to keep it plugged in when using it. You can plug it in to warm it up, then unplug it and take it to wherever you want to clean with it. There's also a lock button on the side of the steam lever, but it doesn't lock the lever on. It just locks it out as a safety, so then you can't use it. Of course, I can rectify that with a zip tie. I'll probably just get a bunch of comments about disabling safety features. But what if we did it for science? We still need to test out the run time, so I'll put another 8 7/16 ounces of water in there, and then we'll zip tie that lever down and see how long it runs until it runs out of steam. Now, I don't think this is designed for continuous use. I should have had the camera on the other side, because you can't see the indicator lights. But I noticed the green ready indicator light went out and then came back on. Towards the end of the run here, it went out and didn't come back on. I don't think the heating element inside can keep up with continuous use. But it did produce steam for the whole duration. Harbor Freight says this is supposed to have a 6-minute and 30-second run time. It lasted for about 1 beer for me, or about 6 minutes. I did notice that after the test there was still some water in there, so the heating element definitely isn't keeping up. Looks like we got about 2 1/4 ounces left, or 14 teaspoons, or 4 1/2 tablespoons. Hey, there's those milliliters. Bottom line, it's not designed for continuous use. The accessories that come with this are okay. The extension hose is nice, but it's a little on the short side. The spray nozzles all have brass inserts in them, so the plastic doesn't get melted by the steam, which is nice. These little brushes are okay. These are going to wear away with use. The steam cleaner does what it says it does. It produces steam for cleaning, but it's not the magical cleaning wand that other people make it out to be. At 39 bucks, it's not a bad price. I did get mine for 29 with a coupon. So if you have a use case for it, I'd go ahead and pick it up. Maybe wait until they come out with another coupon, though. I'm sure there are other use cases for these that I don't know about. Let me know in the comments below if I'm missing anything. Anyway, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out my channel for more Harbor Freight videos. See you later. Bye.